Welcome back to 5 Minute STEM. In this video we're going to be going over how to add artificial noise to an image in Matlab. And as always, I'll have a link down below where you can find this code at my website. So to begin, we're going to read in an image. And then we'll create a figure with a subplot so that we can have multiple images in the figure. One displaying this original image, and then the others displaying images with artificial noise. Oops, forgot a semicolon there. And then I'll add a label, just marking this as the original image. So now let's do IM noise. That's a built-in function in the Matlab image processing toolbox. And then we'll select the original image, so IM. And then this first one we'll do salt and pepper noise. Oops, salt and noise, no, salt and pepper. 0.05. This value right here is going to be the intensity level of the noise. So you can increase that, decrease it. And then we'll add this to the subplot. And I am show noise 1. X label. I'll just say salt and pepper. And then the next noise we'll do, again, I am noise. Call the original image, and this will be Gaussian. And then again, the intensity value, I'll try 0.1. Two, 3, and then I am show noise 2. X label, Gaussian, and then we'll do one more, so noise 3 equals I am noise, I am speckle, two, 2, 4, I am show noise 3, and again X label is speckle. And notice, we don't have to have an intensity value for these. There is a default value. So let's just go ahead and run this now. Alright, so as you can see, that's the original. There's it with salt and pepper, Gaussian, and then the speckle. And so this is great for when you are wanting to test different formulas, like later on trying to get rid of such noise. Because obviously you really aren't going to want to add noise, but it's great for testing out how to remove it and remove different kinds of noises. And we will show that in another video, how to remove some of these. Alright, thanks for watching.